Good morning, student, and welcome to this session of class 3rd. In this session, we are going to learn the chapter 2nd, operating system. Now, in this chapter, we are going to learn the operating system and different types of operating system and real-time operating system. Now, let us start the first topic, operating system. An operating system is a program that controls the operations in computer. Operating system is a program that controls the operations in a computer. Operating system means it is a software or program that hold or control all the operations which are in the computer. That all operations or functions is hold or controlled by the operating system. Now, operating system is the first program that a computer runs when the power button is switched on. First time when you switch on the button, electric button or computer button, the first program which runs the computer, that program is called as a operating system. Operating system keeps running until the computer is switched on. Means once that operating system program is run in the computer, till you switch off the computer, up to that time this operating system or this program is run, and operating system runs your program on the computer. Your program means this operating system can run different programs which are installed in the computer, means just like Excel program, Word program, MS Paint program, PowerPoint program. So all these different programs or different video computer games or different types of files and different types of programs, all these programs are run by this operating system. It manages both software and hardware resources. Operating system manage or control both software also and hardware also. So operating system controls input and output devices. Means this operating system has the control over the hardware also, software also, input devices and output devices. Means operating system control overall all the operations of computer. Without operating system, a computer would be completely useless. Means without operating system, a computer is like a box only. Means without operating system, your computer will not run. A computer would be completely useless if operating system is not present in the computer. Operating system prevent unauthorized user from entering into computer. Means this operating system prevents or to stop the other users which want to enter in your computer. That is called unauthorized users. Means other user means unauthorized users. If that unauthorized user is entering into the computer, that time operating system stop them or stop it. So this is about the operating system. Now, what is the examples of operating system? Some few popular operating systems. Example, see, Mac operating system. Mac operating system is popular operating system. Linux is popular operating system. Microsoft Windows also a popular operating system. Operating system is a software that acts as an interface between user, computer and hardware. This is about all the topics operating system. Now next is types of operating system. First, graphical user interface. Second, multi-user. Third, multi-processing. Fourth, multitasking, multi-threading, and real-time. These are the 6 types of operating system. First, let us start the first operating system, graphical user interface. A graphical user interface means GUI operating system contains graphics and icons. This operating system contains graphics and icons. Graphics means we can see different types of coloring programs, and we can see the small image small image icons or programs on the desktop. That small program is called as a icons. So it allows users to interact using computer, mouse, or any other pointing device. Means in the graphical user interface, or this graphical user interface operating system interact using or help the user to use the mouse. Means this operating system help us to use the mouse or other pointing device in this operating system. So what is the example of this graphical user interface operating system? Microsoft Windows 98, Microsoft Windows, Windows XP, Windows Vista, Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10, Linux, Apple, Mac operating system, Chrome operating system. All these are the examples of graphical user interface. Means all the operating system, those are present now, today's. These all operating systems are a graphical user interface. Now the next is multi-user operating system. What is multi-user operating system? See, a multi-user operating system allows multiple users to use the same computer at the same time and or at the different times. A multi-user operating system allows, means this multi-user operating system help us or allows us multiple users, means number of users can use the same operating system at the same time or at the different times. Means this operating system can use the same computer at the same time and at the different time also. Means what is the example of this multi-user operating system? Linux, Unix, Windows 2000, Windows 2003, Windows 2008, and Windows NT. These are the multi-user operating system. Then what is the multi-user operating system? Multi-user operating system allows multiple users, means a number of users can use the same operating system at the same time or at the different time. This is the multi-user. Now multi-processing operating system. Now what is multiprocessing? A multiprocessing operating system allows a program to run on more than one central processing unit. Means this operating system allows a program to run on more than one central processing unit at the same time. This is called multiprocessing operating system. For example, Linux, Unix, and Windows XP. These are the multiprocessing operating system. Multiprocessing operating system allows means it helps to use the same program, to use a program to run on one or more than central processing unit at the same time. Means the same program will run on this computer also and the other computer also and the different computer also at the same time. If I am using this computer and the same program will run on the other computers at the same time, and also this program is also run on the third computer at the same time. This is called multi-processing operating system. The example is Linux, Unix and Windows XP. Now the next is fourth number operating system is multitasking. What is multitasking? A multitasking operating system makes it possible to run more than one software processes at the same time. Means multitasking operating system makes it possible to run more than one software processes at the same time. Means what is it mean? Multitasking means the same software, any software, application software, and their applications we can run at the same time in this computer also, and in this computer we can use the same program number of times at the same computer. That is called more than one software processes at the same time. More than one software means the same software or the same program we can run on the same computer. So that is called multitasking. For example, Linux, Unix, Windows 2000 XP, Windows XP, Windows Vista and Windows 7. These are the examples of multitasking operating system. Now, what is multi-threading operating system? Multi-threading operating system allows different parts of a single program to run at the same time. Means multi-threading means the same program, but that program has the part. If that program has the different part, the different part can be run at the same time in that computer. So in that same computer, that is called multi-threading operating system. If the program has different parts and that different part can be run on the same computer at the same time, that is called multi-threading. For example, Linux, Unix, Windows 2000, XP, Vista and 7. Means this is called multi-threading operating system. Now the last one is real-time operating system. What is real-time operating system? See, a real-time operating system is designed to allow computers to process and respond to an input at once. Means a real-time operating system means it is automatically run. If we are giving the command or if you are giving the instruction to this operating system at one time, if we input the data or the command to this real operating system, that command this operating system can process to that input only at once. Means what is the example? The examples of this operating system is RT, Linux, Windows CE and OSE. Where these operating system are used? These operating system are used in aeroplanes. Aeroplane autopilots are controlled by real-time operating system. Means in the aeroplane, this operating system are used. If the pilot of the aeroplane wants to transfer the mode of the operating system on the autopilot, that aeroplane will fly or run automatically. So this is the real-time operating system. Means this operating system allows the computer to process and respond to an input at once. It just accepts the input at once, and in that way this operating system will run or process. This is called real-time operating system. Now the next topic is, now these are the all topics. These are all topics we learn. There are 6 types of operating system. Now we are going to solve the exercise of this chapter. Chapter 2. We are going to solve the exercise of chapter 2. The first question, answer the following question. The first question, what is an operating system? Write few examples of operating system. What is the answer? See, an operating system is a software. An operating system is an software that acts as an interface between a user, computer and hardware. Operating system is a software or a program that acts as an interface. An interface means it is the transmitter between the user, computer and hardware. Means it is the interface. The examples of operating system is Mac operating system, Linux operating system, Microsoft Windows operating system. The next question is, what are the multi-user operating system? A multi-user operating system allows multiple users. Multiple users means number of users. To use the same computer at the same time or at the different time. Means multiple users can use the same computer at the same time at the different time. What is the example of multi-user operating system? Linux, Unix, Windows 2000, Windows 2003, Windows 2008 and Windows 20. The next question is, what is the difference between multitasking and multi-threading operating system? See, multitasking and multi-threading. Multitasking operating system runs more than one software. Processes at the same time. Runs more than one software processes at the same time. And what is multi-threading? Multi-threading operating system allows different parts of a single program, to run at the same time. This is the difference between the multitasking operating system and multi-threading operating system. Now the next question is, what is GUI operating system? What is GUI operating system? See, a GUI operating system contains graphics and icons. A GUI operating system contains graphics and icons. Icons means small image pictures which are present on the desktop. If we click on that pictures, the program will open. So that is called icons. Now, a GUI operating system contains graphics and icons. For example, Microsoft Windows 98, XP, Vista, Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10, Linux, Apple, Mac operating system, Chrome operating system. These are the examples. Today's all operating system are GUI operating system. The next question is, explain the multiprocessing operating system. What is multiprocessing operating system? See, a multiprocessing operating system allows a program to run on more than one central processing unit. Means the same program will be run on more than one central processing unit, means CPU. The same program will run on the different CPU at the same time. That is called multiprocessing operating system. For example, Linux, Unix and Windows XP. Next one is, what is booting system? What is booting system? See, when a computer is first switched on, and various operations are loaded, that start up the operating system. This process is known as a booting process. What is booting process? When a computer is switched on, various operations, means various programs are loaded, and that programs start up the operating system. This process is known as booting process. Now the next question is, fill in the blanks with the words given below. The options are given below in red. The first fill in the blanks is, dash operating system allows multiple users to use the same computer. Dash operating system allows multiple users to use the same computer. Which operating system? A multi-user operating system. A allows to use the same computer. Second, an operating system prevents unauthorized dash dash from the accessing the computer system. Huh? What is the option there? User. An operating system prevents unauthorized user from accessing the computer system. Next, the Mac operating system was developed by Apple. The Mac operating system was developed by Apple. A computer is useless without an operating system. A computer is useless without an operating system. Without an operating system. Now, the Windows operating system was developed by Microsoft. The Windows operating system developed by Microsoft. These are the fill in the blanks. Next question. Match the following. Mac operating system. What is the parallel option? E. Where is E? Apple. Means Mac operating system is matched with Apple. Linux. What is the option? D. Linux is invented by Linus Torvald. Linus Torvald is the inventor of Linux operating system. Windows. Windows is developed or invented by Microsoft. SUSE Linux. SUSE Linux is developed by SUSE. Sun Solaris is invented by Sun. Sun Solaris is invented by Sun. OAC operating system is developed by Real Time Operating System. These are all the question and answer had solved. Thank you, student. I hope you enjoy the today's session with the learning the chapter and solving the question and answer. Thank you, student, and we will come on the next chapter 3 on the next session. Thank you.